Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the hood or boot struts. The process is pretty much same on any Alfa Romeo model, or for that matter it is really the same on any other car. The main symptom of course is going to be the trunk or the boot lid that won't stay up. This one is still hanging in there but barely, so I've decided to change it before it falls on my head. To do this job you are going to need your new hood or boot shocks. Now these are fairly cheap, there may be 20 euros for the pair. Now when it comes to tools, you are going to need only one, and that is a small or mid-size flathead screwdriver. Now before you start, it's essential to prop up the hood or to have a friend hold it for you. You got two clips, one on the bottom and one on the top. Now I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver, I'm going to position it in this void right here, and I'm going to pry off the clip. Now I'm going to pull off the strut, and I'm basically going to do the same thing on the bottom. There is one thing that you got to pay attention to, and that is the orientation of the strut. You got to make sure that you position it the right way. I'm gonna place the new strut on the mount and I'm gonna push it in, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the top. That's it for this side, one more to go. Now as I said before, this job is very simple and there really is no need to pay someone else to do it for you. You can see the whole process only takes maybe like 2 minutes. Only thing left to do is to try it out. And here you go, you can see that the new hood shocks do their job perfectly. The hood stays up as it should. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.